Sick. Time to get drunk at a bowling alley. Here's My Own Worst Enemy by Lit. Let's dive right in. We're gonna start with octaves on the 6th fret of the A string. Put your first finger on 6 on A, ring finger or pinky on 8 on G. Trick to good sounding octaves, obviously we don't want to hear the string in the middle, so the back of your first finger needs to be blocking that D string, and the top of your first finger should be muting that E string. You just want to hear A and G together. We're going to slide up a fret. Cool? Obviously you can tell I'm hitting the same octave over and over, but we're not letting those notes ring. We're hitting those staccato. So all I'm doing to get that sound is relieving the pressure. And on my right hand, I'm touching the strings in between because that'll mute them. So it sounds really clean. A two-pronged attack, if you will. Slide, and then power chord on 7 on E, power chord on 5 on E. So all together, the main riff. Cool. Let's move over to the verse, and this is the rhythm behind that intro riff too, in case you are playing rhythm guitar in a Lit tribute band. Sounds like this. So it's an E power chord, downstrokes, 2 downstrokes, and then a quick upstroke, like pick up to your next round of playing that chord. And you can see that I'm using these fingers on my left hand to mute the strings in between because we don't want those to ring out. So, and also my right hand is hitting here too. Ultimate cleanliness. Very important. Cool, that's your verse. Let's move right on to the chorus. So the rhythm for the chorus sounds like this. So we got an E power chord, down, 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 up. And then an F sharp minor, right? So we're gonna bar our first finger over the 2nd fret, ring finger on the 4th fret of D, ring finger on the 4th fret of A, pinky on the 4th fret of D. Hit the chord, and then hit your B and E strings. So we got, and then A chord, same thing, A power chord. And then we're gonna play a B chord. We're gonna do this like Weezer style, where we have a power chord with the 5th in the bass. So first finger is gonna play the 2nd fret on the E string and the A string. And then your ring finger will play 4 on D, pinky plays 4 on G. All together one more time. Cool, and when you're playing that F sharp, you know, I did say F sharp minor. We don't really want to hear that minor 3rd. So if you can avoid the 2nd fret on the G string, that will serve you better. Cool, lead guitar on the chorus sounds like this. It's mostly 2 notes. First finger on the 9th fret of G, pinky on the 12th fret of B. Here we go, 2, 3, 4. So the ending there, we hit the 11th fret on G, slide from 11 to 13, and then first finger on 10 on B. So one more time to get the rhythm. It is kind of an odd rhythmic pattern here, but 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 and 3. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Cool, then we're back to the riff, back to another verse, back to another chorus, etc., etc. Next, we're gonna happen upon the solo. So the solo starts just like that main octave riff. So it'll start there. This time, instead of doing the 2 chords, we're gonna go up to the 9th fret on A. So. And then we're gonna move up from 9 to 11. This will all be octaves on the A and G string. Up to 11. 12th, and then we've got cool, so we're going 12 to 14, 16, back to 14, 12, 11, back to 12, then 11 again. So I'll do that whole thing slow. Here's the solo. That's it, that's how you play it. Sick. You're welcome, guys. What else can I say? Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, or if you're just concerned about me. Please let me know as soon as possible. Make sure to subscribe. We have a lot more material coming your way. Song tutorials, solo tutorials, gear reviews, life advice. We'll see you guys soon. That was My Own Worst Enemy by Lit.